What if God exists? This profound question has shaped human thought throughout history and continues to influence our understanding of reality today. Recent data shows a fluctuating religious landscape. A 2025 study indicates that 66% of U.S. adults report a personal commitment to Jesus, a 12% increase since 2021. This trend is particularly strong among younger generations. If God exists, this could mean a source of objective morality. The existence of objective moral values would point to a moral lawgiver, a foundation for distinguishing right from wrong beyond human opinion. God's existence would also imply inherent purpose and meaning in life. Our existence would not be accidental, but intentional. It would suggest the potential for an afterlife and a relationship with the divine, fundamentally altering how we understand our existence. From a scientific perspective, the fine-tuning of the universe could be seen as evidence of a divine creator. Scientists like Dr. Willie Soon suggest that mathematical formulas describing the precise balance of universal constants point to intentional design rather than random chance. Philosophically, the question of why the universe exists finds a compelling answer in the existence of God. Dr. Stephen E. Parrish argues that God, as a necessary being, provides the explanation for why something exists rather than nothing. This addresses the ultimate philosophical question of existence itself. In exploring the possibility of God's existence, we find profound implications that touch on morality, purpose, scientific understanding, and philosophical questions. These perspectives set the stage for understanding how this belief might impact our lives and our understanding of the world. If God exists, it would profoundly impact both individual lives and society as a whole. For individuals, belief in God could provide comfort during difficult times, guidance for life decisions, and a framework for ethical choices. A 2025 Barna study indicates this search for meaning is growing, with a 12% increase in commitment to Jesus among U.S. adults since 2021. On a societal level, belief in God has historically fostered community, inspired charitable works, and provided shared ethical values. However, it can also lead to conflicts when different religious beliefs clash and raises questions about the relationship between faith and other institutions. Religious and spiritual leaders continue to play significant roles in addressing pressing global challenges. These include ethical dimensions of issues like climate change, inequality, artificial intelligence, and conflict resolution. This was exemplified at the 2025 World Economic Forum in Davos, where spiritual perspectives informed discussions on our most pressing challenges. The existence of God also raises complex theological questions that have been debated for centuries. The problem of evil asks how an all-powerful and all-good God could allow suffering in the world. Divine hiddenness questions why, if a loving God exists, God's existence isn't evident to everyone. The implications of God's existence continue to be debated across various disciplines. Philosophers examine logical arguments, theologians interpret religious texts, and scientists explore the relationship between faith and natural laws. Ultimately, the implications of God's existence are far-reaching and continue to be examined across many fields of study.